Hi, I'm Alia. So in today's video we are going to do some verb conjugations for regular verbs. Alright, so if you watched my video, I think last year, about how to form past, present and future, so this will kind of be similar to that, but here we will do conjugation of all personal pronoun forms. Okay, so for all the verbs based on the personal pronoun. There we go. Alright, so let's begin, right? So if I'm sharing my screen, hopefully you can see. So Gledati. Okay, so Gledati means to watch. Alright, so to watch. If I say Jaz gledam televizijo, it means I'm watching the TV. Right, so can you tell me what the root here is? Okay, so with the root, we do it like this. You have the infinitive form, so Gledati, and you take the ti away. Alright, so that's it. So the root would be, okay, yeah, gleda. I was not sure if it's showing. So gleda. Okay, that's our root. So this one I will change the color because it's rather important. So here we have our root, gleda. Alright, and now let's go through all the personal pronouns. So in that video that I recorded I guess year ago, there we just did I, you, he, she, I believe. Jaz, on, ona, right? But today we will do all. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, so first we have, I'll write in English first, so I or me, this would be jaz, okay, and then it's ti, and then on and ona. So what I wrote is jaz, I, me, ti is you, on is he, and ona is she. Alright, awesome. Then let's continue. I know this will take a little time, but I'm trying to do this that we, let's say, do it together. So it will all make more sense, hopefully. Okay, so then let's continue with us, but we will start with the dual. So first, if it's midva, okay, midve, all right, and if it's plural, so us or we, it would be me or me. All right, and now let me explain. All right, so midva is us or we, yeah, but when it's two people and at least one is guy. All right, so if here a friend would be with me who's a guy, I would say midva. Okay, but if my mom was here who's a female, it would be midve. Okay, or actually this one can even be midve. I tend to use midve, but just so you know, okay, both are correct. So midve, doesn't matter what you use. So but you will hear me use midve just because I use it. All right, so midva, like I said, if it's two guys, okay, so this will be our M, okay, or if it's mixed, like I said, right, if there is a guy next to me, right, then it would be midva, okay, so it's mixed. This is what I mean by mixed. At least one female is there or at least one male is there, depends how you look at it. Then we have midve. So this again, this would be, let's put it like us two, I guess. Okay, so us two, just so that we put more stress on it that it's two. Okay, midve, midva. All right, now let's do midve. So again, this would be us two, but this would be when it's just females, right? Like I said, if my mom was here, it would be midve, okay, or midve, however you wish. All right, and then me, this would be we, and this would be at least three people or a group of people and so on. So 3+. All right. So this is me, again, if it's just guys, so a group of guys, or if it's mixed, so at least one girl is there, or at least, so at least one girl is in a group of just guys, or at least one guy is there in a group of just girls, okay? So it's just this, it's mixed, all right? And then me, if it's, so it's we, but this would be if it's just girls, okay? So I would say me, if here I would have like my sister, my niece, my mom, and so on, I would say me, okay? Awesome. Then let's continue. So me, okay, now about you, okay? So this would be, again, let's do dual first. So if I'm talking to two boys or if I'm talking to a boy and a girl, I would say vidva, okay? If there was just two girls, it would be vidve or even vidve. Again, I never say vidve, okay? So vidva, it would be you, and I will write two, okay? So you two, and again, if it's two boys or if it's mixed, okay? Vidve, you two, if it's two girls, okay? So I'm talking to two girls. Awesome. and then we have vi, so you, but here I will write you all, okay, just so that we put more stress on it, okay, but it's like you, so at least 3 people. And again, it's going to be am or mixed, right? So at least 1 guy, 1 girl, okay, or just guys. And if it's just girls, then it's ve, okay, so you all and just girls, so female. All right, we did this, then this, okay, and now it's oni. So first let's do the dual, so ona dva, okay, and oni dve, okay, or again one dve. I never say one dve, but yeah. And then we have oni, no, why is this autofill, wait, oni, so they, and one they, but just females, okay, so ona dva, so here it will be they 2, and again am or mixed, right, at least 1 guy, 1 girl, right, or I'm sure you know why now. So, and oni dve is them, they 2, or them 2, however you wish, them 2, but just 2 females, okay, and oni is they all, however again you wish, again am or mixed, okay, and one is they and just females. All right, so that's it. We have jas, ti, on, ona, mi dva, mi dve, mi, me, vi dva, vi dve, vi, ve, one dva, oni dve, oni, one. Okay, awesome. That took what, 5 minutes, not that long, right? Or 6, something like that. All right, now I just made a little this so it makes it easier to see. I don't know what's it called. So let's do like this and like this. All right, and now how we will do it. First we will say present, okay, so present tense, and then we will do, I guess, the past, okay, so past, and the future is, yeah, future. I don't know why I wanted to use the Slovenian word. All right, and then what we will do, you will see why soon. So like this and like this. All right, so let's begin. Let me just move this one as well, and maybe I just do it like this. Sorry, you need to look at me do it, but I feel like it's better we build on it together. So at least when I learn languages, I don't know, it's just easier than someone just throwing it at me or how to say. So all right, let's begin. We have the present. So we said we have the root. So the root is gleda, right? And if it's jas, it's jas gledam. Okay, so we put m at the end. So jas gledam. Okay, if it's ti, it's sh at the end. Ti gledaš. Okay, and then on, just the root here. All right, so gleda, and ona gleda. All right, awesome. So what did we do? First, let's go quickly to our little, you will see this will be hopefully very useful for you. So what did we do? We have our root, right? So the root, I will just write like root plus something, right? Some ending. So for this one it was jas gledam, right? So I'm watching. So gledam. Ti gledaš. Okay? And then on gleda, this I will just put, wait, like this, so nothing's there, right? It's just the root. So let's put it like this, and ona gleda. All right, awesome. Then it's mi dva gledava. We will do them 4 by 4. Okay, so first 4, 4, and so on. All right, mi dva gledava, mi dve gledava. See, it's the same. Mi gledamo and me gledamo. All right, awesome. As you can see, these two are the same, so let's just put some color to it, right? So maybe let's use this one, all right? And here as well, we will use this like this, and this maybe pink, I don't know, I like this one, I like it, all right? And then this one as well here. All right, so what happened here? We have our root gleda, right? What did we do? We added va at the end, right? Gledava. Mi dva gledava. Mi dve gledava, right? Okay, and then let's say, yeah, I'm on my phone, I'm on the phone with my mom, and my mom says I'm with my sister, okay, and she says, what are you two doing? And I would say mi dve gledava, right? Gledava televizio or film, right? We're watching the TV or a movie. All right, and if it's me, it's gledamo, and me gledamo, right? So the root plus the ending. All right, awesome. So based on the personal pronoun. All right, then vi dva, you two. All right, let's say vi dva gledata, vi dve gledata. Okay, so ta at the end. Vi gledate and vi gledate. All right? Awesome. Now again, let's put some color. As you can see, they are kind of the same. So I will put blue. Blue is like one of my favorite colors. And we will put green. All right? So again, this one and this one. All right. So can you tell me how it's going to be now for vidve? Gledata, right? Vidve, gledata. So vidva, vidve, gledata. Both are the same. And vi gledate. Okay? Gledate. Alright, awesome. Then let's continue with one dva gledata. Okay? Oni dve gledata. Okay? Like this. And oni gledajo. And one gledajo. Okay? Amazing. And here again I will put maybe yellow again. This is kind of different hue. So like this, and then the last one, I don't even know, maybe purple. How does that look? I don't know. It will do, it's fine. All right, so one dva gledata, oni dve gledata, oni gledajo, one gledajo, right? Awesome. All right, so now for the present, if I give you another verb, let's say hoditi, okay, maybe I'll just write here. So again, hopefully it's gonna be easier for you. Or let's say kuhati, let's do something else. Yeah, kuhati, to cook. All right, so kuhati means to cook. I will delete this in a moment, yeah, just so that we quickly go through the whole present. All right, so yas, if we have the root, right? So first, yeah, let's do what is the root, right? It's going to be kuha, right? So like this, so kuha. All right, so yas, right here, this one is yas, but I'll just delete. So yas kuham, right? Muy bien. Ti kuha sh, right? Now it's nothing, right? So on kuha, ona kuha, midva kuha va, right? This one, midva kuha va, midve, again, we just take this ending, kuha va. So we two are cooking, right? Mi kuhamo, so we are cooking, me kuhamo, and so on, right? So you get what's happening, right? Now this is how we form the present tense for regular verbs. All right, and you will see, even if it's an irregular verb, let's say jesti, to eat, okay? There you don't put the ti away, okay? When you have, again, maybe I'll write like this. So jesti, you don't put the ti away, all right? But you put away the sti, okay? So here you end up with the root ye, okay? So ye, it's like this, okay? Ooh, how did I do that? Okay, anyway, I'll delete it. So, but again, it's going to be yas, jem, ti ješ, all right? On je, ona je, midva jeva, and so on. So this is, the endings are there for the personal pronoun, all right? Even if the verb is irregular. All right, awesome. Now let's do the past. Okay, maybe I will make like part 2 and part 3 because this is already like 13 minutes, I see. Okay, so let's continue now with the past. Okay,